Hello everyone, welcome to Paranormal and Spiritual World. Today we will talk about that why some possessed people have this tendency of collecting garbage and obsolete items in their house. Why they generally go after such things, why they have this fascination and attraction towards dirt, dust and all those obsolete things which are not in use or are, you can say, damaged. It can be electronic items or anything. Why this kind of trait is seen in some possessed people. The most important thing which we should notice, which we should consider, is the kind of attraction which they are having. Gradually it is increasing towards dirty things, towards obsolete things, towards electronic goods which are in obsolete condition, which are not working, any form of garbage. The kind of negative energy possessing the body is comfortable in the surrounding which is full of garbage, full of dirt, full of any kind of things which are not in use since a very long time. Such negative energies are basically demons or kind of jinns, and they feel comfortable in the materialistic world and reside on such items only. Their attraction and fascination is generally created in that human being who is possessed by that negative energy. And this habit of collecting this all kind of obsolete things, dirty things, non-working assets, and kind of things which are, you can say, people generally throw out of their house because either they are not working or either they are very old, or but this attraction really makes them feel alive, makes them feel to go in motion in the paranormal world. In the paranormal world, the spirits roam here and there, but still they need a place to settle down. They need houses. They need, generally, what we say about any haunted house, we say that the house has been vacated since a very long time. There is nobody living out there, and the house has. When you go any haunted house, you will see the house is in a very depleted condition with obsolete things over there, full of dirt, dust, garbage. So in that area the spirits generally roam, they settle over there, they feel comfortable over there, especially spirits which are negative in nature, which has negative conscious. So if any person is suffering from negative energies and in the form of demonic energies, so this kind of attraction and fascination will be created in that human being. They will be persuading that human being, encouraging that human being to collect such items. They do it for two purposes: first, to facilitate themselves, and second, to recall and to call upon other spirits of the paranormal world. Most of the time these spirits feel lonely. They feel that if we are settling at a particular house or at a particular place, then we should also call other spirits in that house or uh, in that body. And for that they do all these things. They do different activities through the human body to make their space a comfortable space according to them. And by inviting other spirits, whether it's a hostile spirit or any kind of spirit which is again negative in nature, so due to the renunciation, due to the union of different spirits, negative in which are in negative sense, they become more powerful, they become more dominating on that person who is possessed, of course, and even on that particular place or surrounding. You have seen any haunted house, when you go into that house, the energy is so heavy that it really becomes very difficult to breathe in such houses. It really becomes very difficult to stay in such houses. A kind of fear, a kind of panic generally goes around us when we visit such houses. This is because there are a lot of spirits over there which have been haunting and taking the shield, taking the energy from the obsolete things, from the old things, from the things which are damaged. It can be electronic items, it can be any garbage, it can be any obsolete items, and the house, of course, which is in depleted condition. So this is one of the most important trait which you should consider if you have any patient in your house suffering from negative energy or having any ghost possession or something like that. So I hope you like today's video. I have already uploaded this video in Hindi language, so I'll be giving you link below so you can browse from there. For any consultancy regarding paranormal issue, you can contact on our website given below. Thank you so much.